Hi there, gorgeous soul, and welcome again. I'm Babs Paz, and together with Bradley Charbonneau, we built this 30-day challenge to support you in the creation journey of life. You know, when a kid comes to mama or to papa with a very simple doodle and the kid is proud of it, well, it doesn't matter what you create every day, we will be proud of you, and you should be also. Whether it's a video, a chapter of a book, a poem, a painting, a sculpture, or maybe just a new recipe, just create. We'll be proud of you because you are showing up for yourself. Use the creation time to dream, to vent, to try new things, to be an artist. Set small daily goals and meet them. Pray for guidance, for courage, and don't worry about making a masterpiece. Don't judge the work that you're doing. Think about creating in a daily basis and you will naturally improve your craft. Choose friends that encourage you on the journey and rely in our group. We have a safe space for you to try new things. When you do it daily, we can guarantee you will find your voice. Meditate before you start to ask for inspiration. Send the following message to the universe. Great Creator, I will take care of the quantity daily, and you take care of the quality. This is from Julia Cameron from the book The Artist's Way. One other thing, if you lack time to go through the daily tasks, you will have to use the law of subtraction. Take something out of your daily routine for 30 days, like sitting passively in front of a screen or scrolling. Just watch Bradley and I and go and have fun and enjoy yourself in the daily tasks. Make your dreams and goals a priority.